Howdy guys, in today's video TrueCut RDWorks, we're going to be looking at the suffix for the serial number under the variable text. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the text tool, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now, in the previous video, we looked at setting up the the prefix, which was the intro to your serial number, which in our case was software training. And today we're going to be looking at the suffix. Now, by no means is this the formula or format you should be following. You can always, I would recommend first do some research on what is acceptable, especially if, or more directed in your line of product or format. So this is pretty much just what I'm going to be using for example, so you get an idea of how to work it. So now, if I had to go into the settings, I'm going to use our serial number, double click it, and go to the variable text area. So now we've just set up the prefix. So this is what's going to happen before your serial number, or the start of your serial number, and the suffix is going to be the end of it. So in my case, let's say I've got a company, maybe I make guitars. Then it's not the best example because I'm only going to be showcasing for one type of guitar. So let's say I only have one model of this type of thing I make. So then I'll maybe name it something like GT for guitar. And then what I would like to do is put an A behind it. So I know that this is kind of the first batch we're going to go through. So after I've run through all of these, then if I had to make some more, then I'll just go B eventually, C, and so forth. Then you can kind of make many different batches. So then when someone says, okay, listen, I've got a problem with this product, or I wanted more information on it, you can quickly see, okay, this was the first ones we printed, or this was the second ones, third ones, so forth. So that's what I'll be using the suffix for. So if I go out here, I click apply or OK, then we will see here at the end of let me set the color to blue. So when I have it selected, it's still visible, or properly visible. But in any case, so now we can see already here, we've got ST for software training, and obviously changes to whatever. Then we've got some numbers, and then we've got GTA, which no, it's not the game, but so in our case it's guitar and batch A. So we know that. You can obviously do like more information on this. Let's say you make different types of guitars, you can go GT something and then another letter, and the same with the prefix. You can also make this multiple letters, so you can perhaps go software training GT, where it's okay, it's a guitar, and then maybe you can have at the end the model and the batch or something in that line. But obviously this will vary depending on your company and the way you're going to be translating it when someone actually gives you information about the serial number. But yeah, that pretty much covers the suffix as well. So if we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.